Hey there, welcome to my channel based strong motivation. Today I speak God will order your steps 2024. Would not have any problem talking that step moving to that new location if we knew and how long it was going to take. He had all the details I had. It had. God does not give us details. If you had all the facts, you would not need any faith. If you all have boldness, the unknown doors will open. Open funds the resource that you need. Headlights on your car. Only see 100 feet in front of you. Don't pull over because you cannot see you are waiting for all the details. You are going to on purpose and over our head. Too often we swing back, think we would be nervous. That's a test. Are you going to let the fear you back, or are you going to be bold and step in to the unknown? Accomplish more than dreamed. You just need God on the boat with you. Chance man, if you play it safe man, it's and eventually God is smooth. Should take a chance. God just did me a real solid trick.